Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Acronis Cyber Protect for server backup protection, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Acronis Cyber Protect website. Locate the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal details such as your name, email address, and organization name. Choose a strong password for your account. Make sure to follow any specified password requirements. Review the terms and conditions provided on the page. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click the Create Account or Register button to proceed. An email confirmation will be sent to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Acronis. Click on the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. You may be prompted to log in with your newly created credentials. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Backup Protection or similar. Select the option to add a new server for backup. Follow the prompts to input the details of your server. This may include the server name, IP address, and credentials needed for access. Review all inputted information for accuracy. Click on the Save or Add Server button to finalize registration. You will now see your server listed in the Backup Protection area. From here, you can set up backup schedules and preferences. Customize your backup settings according to your needs. Ensure to save any adjustments made to your settings. You are now fully registered with Acronis Cyber Protect for server backup protection. Regularly check back to manage backups and monitor server health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.